I think it would be good to show you Logic's virtual keyboard or musical typing keyboard, as is the name, before we look at working with virtual instruments, because you can use it instead of a MIDI controller, and it's also pretty handy to quickly preview sounds. Mind you, it obviously doesn't work with audio tracks. So I have a virtual instrument loaded already, and important shortcut, I'm going to press Command and K as in keyboard. There is also another way to bring it up, which I obviously do not recommend. So you go up here to Window and then down here to Show Musical Typing. Now, as you can see, each button has a corresponding letter from your keyboard. In the spirit of this series, I will be using the NATO phonetic alphabet to avoid any confusion. So all the way from alpha to the apostrophe, you get the white notes, and the black notes start on whiskey. And they mimic the piano by skipping a note between E and F and B and C. Now, if I press these keys, it will play back the loaded instrument. We have a fixed velocity of 97, so I can use Charlie and Victor to change the velocity. And Zulu and X-ray to change the octave. If I want to sustain a note, as if I was using a sustain pedal, I have to hold down Tab for as long as I want to hold the sustain. Numbers 1 and 2 will pitch bend. And numbers 4 to 8 will change the modulation value. And 3 will turn modulation off. Now you can also change the octave by clicking and dragging up here. Another view you may want to use is the keyboard. So I can simply click up here to change to that. And in this one, you cannot use the buttons of your QWERTY keyboard to play the instrument, but it will show you what keys you are playing in your MIDI controller. So very helpful for online lessons or videos. And this one you can also resize. And you can change the octave from here as well.